Welcome back to my kitchen. This is not where you usually see me because I'm not talking about food today. I am going to clean out under the sink with you today. If you've watched my cooking videos, you know that I keep a pretty clean countertop area. I struggle with hidden clutter. About 2 years ago, I went through a program called Conquering Your Kitchen from a website called The Homes I Have Made. The gal who runs it is Megan, and she is a military spouse. They move a lot, which works for me because I rent, so I'm not looking to make permanent organizing solutions. She talks a lot about more temporary solutions, so that worked out really well for me. I will link the sign up below. You have like assignments every week for, I think it was 4 weeks, maybe it was 6, and by the end of it, I had cleaned out my whole entire kitchen. It was nothing I didn't know, nothing you don't know, but to have somebody email me every day and be like, go look at those pots and pans, worked out great for me. Every fall I go through a phase of wanting to organize stuff, so I think last year I did clean this out a little bit, but there's work to do. When I did the organizing the first time, the only thing I bought, so I had these bins, the only thing I bought, and I love it, this little basket that hangs on the back of the door, which is perfect for the things that I use all the time. I'll be switching soon to the cider scent, but what goes in there is my Mrs. Meyer's, the peony scent of the all-purpose cleaner, and the dish soap I think is empty. Doesn't matter, we'll be changing. I have this multi-service glass cleaner is the only thing that doesn't streak on my dishwasher, so I like to keep that readily available. And the scrub brush. I also have this magic eraser, so that's really ideal to keep in the basket on the door. That way I don't have to keep it on the countertop because everything's really exposed right here. I don't want to look at soap, so I keep everything right there. Bags, bags, bags. Bags under the sink in case I need something. But I think it's time to clear this out. These guys go to the car. And these guys stay. This little container on this side, all I keep are dish detergent and extra trash bags. And this is baking soda, but I don't know if I need more of it. I like to keep it in an old Parmesan cheese container. Baking soda can be very helpful for cleaning. I especially like it mixed with Dawn, which I don't use for regular dishwashing. It tastes a little soapy to me. I don't like it to get stuck on the dishes, but it is really powerful. It's very powerful at grease cutting, so I like to keep some around. Ooh, some vodka I saved for possibly using for cleaning purposes. I've never done it. You know, there's all these like DIY cleaning recipes that I don't make. And then I have 3 bottles of the same cleaner. Nearly empty Mrs. Meyer's from earlier in the year, but this one's actually empty, so we'll recycle this one, finish this, and then get out the apple cider one. I love the apple cider one. I've been hearing terrible things about the pumpkin scent, so I'll be leaving that alone. I love the cider one. And then I also love the orange clove when you get into like December, Christmas season. That's the one that I like to use. So I have 3 different kinds of scouring powder. I love Barkeeper's Friend. I never reach for this one. Goo-Gone is what it's called. There's other names for this stuff, but these orange cleaners, Goof Off is another one. These are great for getting like labels off of things and sticky. Denture cleaning tablets. These expired like years ago. I don't have dentures. They are great for cleaning out mugs. These are my favorite ant traps. I wish I didn't have favorite ant traps, but every year we get a little invasion and these take care of it right away. They're great. I keep some peroxide and rubbing alcohol that I use for different cleaning purposes down here. This stuff is really good. I don't mean to be doing product recommendations, but I just love some of this stuff. Smells be gone, fragrance free. It's like gets rid of bad smells, but it doesn't actually mask it with anything. I do usually keep this in the laundry room. Let me know if you'd like to see the other cleaners and other things that I keep in my laundry room. I have a crazy organization system up there, which I'm sure could use some tweaking. There it all goes. Back in here. I think Happily a Housewife talked about these. These are from Command Adhesive, and it's just a little like clothespin looking thing, and you can hang it there, and it holds up the gloves. Here's what's going. I hope you enjoyed this trip into the bowels of my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, I have no idea how you got here, but I'd love to see you again. Click subscribe below. See you Friday. You can see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Do I look really weird?
No, I mean, no.